I am always on the hunt for super healthy snacks that I can feel good about grabbing throughout the day and feel good about my kids eating throughout the day. So I am thrilled that IQBAR gifted me their blueberry bars, as these check all of the boxes, and I'm really excited to put these to the taste test as well. Now, what makes these stand out is that they are not just for your bodies with fiber and complete protein. They actually have 12 grams of protein, very low on the sugar with 2 grams and 3 grams of net carbs, but these are also designed for the brain with magnesium, vitamin E, MCTs, flavonoids, and lion's mane adaptogen to really help with overall energy, clarity, that productivity, everything you want throughout the day. Really, really impressive there. And when it comes to the ingredients, they are super clean. This is a plant-based protein, so it is vegan, of course, dairy-free, gluten-free, keto diet friendly. So lots of goodness there. And it is made in the USA, which is definitely something I want with my healthy snacks. So let's open this up and grab one of these bars. Really nice size for grab and go. And I can see off the bat that this is definitely a compact, high fiber bar. Let's see how this tastes. Now, for how nutrient dense this is with the low sugar and the high protein and all of the powerful ingredients, this is really delicious, but it is very different than your standard snack bar. It's a little bit closer to, but not like the super, super intense protein bars that maybe you'd take while backpacking. So kind of leaning that way, but still has really nice flavor. I'm really liking the wild blueberry in particular. It's very light, yet obviously there and inviting, and it has a good moisture to it. I don't feel like my mouth is getting dried out while eating this. It is on the chewier side, so there's a lot going on here, and one bar is really going to fill you up. Now, I have been curious what other people say to describe this, and in the reviews, a lot of people say it's delicious and healthy, and I think those are probably the two key words that need to go together. It tastes healthy, and for something that tastes so healthy, it's absolutely delicious. But again, if you are looking for that sweet, almost candy-like snack bar, this isn't it. But if you are looking for that bar that's going to provide you sustenance, energy, productivity throughout the day, is not going to give you any sort of sugar rush, is going to be really nice to your digestive system and your brain, this is amazing, and it really is quite tasty for everything it provides. Now, I'm really hoping my kids like this as much as I do, as it is really checking all the boxes for me. If you have been on the hunt for a really high quality snack bar that checks all of the boxes, definitely give IQBAR a try. I'm loving it in the wild blueberry flavor, but it comes in a bunch of other flavors as well. I hope this video helps.